Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingo Foodies. My today's recipe is super simple, easy to make, very tasty and guilt-free oats almond cookies. These soft and chewy cookies are loaded with the goodness of healthy oats and almonds, which makes them an amazing nutritious snack to enjoy. The best part is these cookies happen to be vegan and gluten-free, but of course you can adjust the recipe as per your food preference, like replacing plant-based milk with regular milk if you are not vegan. And we are going to bake these cookies in two ways, with and without oven, so they can be enjoyable for everybody. So make sure to like and subscribe if you are new to my channel, and let's get started. So into the food processor or blender, we'll add oats along with almonds and give them a good blend. It doesn't need to be a fine powder. In fact, coarse mixture would work very well. Now we'll add some salt, some cinnamon powder, baking powder and baking soda, jaggery powder for the sweetness, and some unsweetened peanut butter. I'm using my homemade peanut butter. Feel free to check out the recipe. You can also use store-bought peanut butter, just make sure that it's unsweetened. We'll give it a good blend, and now we are going to add some milk and blend it once more. And the oats almond cookie dough is ready. Here I have some dried strawberries. I'm going to chop them and mix in the dough. You can add any dried or fresh berries of your choice. If you don't have berries, use raisins instead. Now we'll add the berries to the dough and mix well. At this stage, we'll preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And now we'll start making the cookies. Take a small portion of the dough, shape it round, flatten it, smoothen out the edges, and place it on a parchment paper lined baking tray. And now following the same method, we'll make more cookies. And these cookies are ready to bake. We'll bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. Till the cookies are baking, we'll make more cookies for the no oven method. I have provided the alternatives to some of the ingredients, so do make sure to check out the description box for the same. So for the no oven method, first we'll preheat the kadhai on low heat for 5 minutes. Now we'll place the cookie tray and cover the kadhai for around 17 to 18 minutes. Till these cookies are baking, we'll check on our oven cookies. It's been 12 minutes and the cookies are absolutely ready and look super tempting. I really want to pick one right now, but before that we have to let them cool for some time. It's been 18 minutes, that means our kadhai cookies are ready and we are gonna let them cool as well. These cookies can be equally enjoyed with a cup of tea, coffee or even hot chocolate, but the way I like to enjoy them is to dunk them in a glass full of warm milk. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, especially with the holidays coming up, do try these healthy and tasty cookies and let me know in the comment section. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, hit the bell icon and keep watching for such amazing recipes from Tabudingo Foodies. Till then, happy eating. I'll see you next time.